Is up, everybody? Okay, so here's a real easy basic tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to add some sculpting and some awesome details to this character, and once we've done that, we're going to bake it down to a low-res version. And this is actually pretty amazing. It's so easy, and you get to keep all of your details, literally all your details besides the low poly mesh, mate. All right. So here we are. I'm just using some HD morphs and putting it up. There we go. Getting some stuff out there. Okay. Now these are all from the HD morph pack. You gotta buy it. It's not free. But I mean, if you want to customize a lot, that's the thing about this. You buy the program, and then what you gotta do is you gotta buy a lot more to kind of make it complete. So this is the HD morph pack. It's got a lot of really good morphs for like the face, the body, the eyes, wrinkles, a lot of cool details. Alright? Alright. I mean, look at this back. Chuck it on there. Getting some of those details. The AS. Look at that. It just adds all those kind of nice HD details. So, I like it. I do, mate. I do. This is something we'll cover in another thing, going over like a lot of these packs for CC5. Anyway, once you've done that, you go to create and bake down sub D normals. And from here, look, you don't want to bake everything. You don't want to bake the eyes, the teeth, all this kind of stuff unless you've done a ton of things to it. But we don't want to bake these down. We can untick those. You can untick the ones that you want. And once you've done that, make sure you choose the target. Is it sub D1 or sub D2? Over here, we want to go, first of all, 2K maps, and we're chucking it onto sub D0. Okay, so the lowest sub D, and there it is. If we go to sub D0 now, I mean, look at it, mate. Did you even see the transition? Did you see the transition? It's not a big one, man. It's actually pretty cool. So, I mean, here's a low res, and all your details are on there. It's awesome. With a click of a button. And that's what I like about this. It's easy. There we go. Once again, sub D2. And there are subtle changes, of course, man. It's you're going from one to the other. But here, look at this. Sub D0. Look at it carefully. Not a lot. Not a lot. It's actually pretty damn cool. The back. Also, you get like a little bit of those weird things happening on the back and stuff. This is your model. This is your model bending to weird places. Okay. But there we go. There's the clean version. It's quite amazing, actually, man. Such an easy way of putting that on. So we're going to keep this one kind of short. Once again, you can go back to your sub D2. Make sure you're on your highest sub D. And then when you go to your edit, you can go ahead, edit, create, and then you're going to put in your sub D1. Everything is still there ready. 2K maps or 4K, whatever the hell you want. And you can bake it down, and now this gets baked on to your sub D1. So now you have maps for your sub D level 1 and 0. And it's looking incredible. Look at this. There it is. I'm going to transfer over. I didn't see a single change. A single change. All that detail is on your character, which is pretty damn cool. I'm going to go up again. Slight, ever so slight, unless you're dealing with absolute close-up, mega close-up work. You're not going to tell this. I think they've done a great job here. So you can go into ZBrush and completely, I mean, even the little veins, everything, all your work from ZBrush, Maya, whatever, wherever you want to model your character from and add crazy details to it, you can. And then you can just literally in Character Creator, once everything's back in there, you can just bake it out, and it bakes those maps out for you your deformation, your height maps, your normal maps, your whatever the hell you want, and it's incredible. And over here, where is it, Jimmy? Where is it, Jimmy? It's over. No, just go to the maps, man. This is for your wrinkles and stuff. We'll cover that another time. But over here, if you scroll up or down, wherever, you can start, once you select your whatever, the right things in the right hand side there, you can start seeing your maps, which is actually pretty damn cool. Boom. I'm just going to move it a little bit to this side so we can have a look, and you can see all that detail is in your normal map. There's your height map, deform map, whatever you want to call it, ambient occlusion, everything is there to give all your details. And from there you can just export everything and you're good to go. Anyway, I hope this helps, and have a great weekend. I'll speak to you later. Margaret, go to hell, alright?